Greetings explorers of the digital realm. Today you're about to embark on an accelerating journey through the volatile universe of cryptocurrency. Our central subject? FTX 2.0? What happens when Binance is exploding? Welcome to our CryptoVan universe and fasten your seatbelts. It's bound to be a rollercoaster ride. Cryptocurrency, often hailed as the financial future, a borderless realm where bytes becomes bounty. And within this realm, Binance has ascended its throne, reigning supreme. But rumors from the corridors of power hint that a storm is brewing. Binance. In less than a decade, it transformed from a fledgling startup into the heartbeat of the cryptocurrency world. Yet, with great power comes even greater scrutiny. And the US Justice Department seems ready to pull back the curtain. The whispers in the alleyways of Wall Street and Silicon Valley hint at a monumental shakeup. One misstep, one legal blow, and Binance could wobble, potentially sending shockwaves through the cryptoverse. The birth of Binance heralded a new era in crypto trading, bringing innovations and ease to millions. In 2017, a guy named Changpeng Zhao, everyone calls him CZ, launched Binance. Within months, it became the place to buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Think of Binance like a gigantic digital marketplace where instead of buying t-shirts or books, people traded digital coins. But, like the Icarus of Greek mythology, flying too high might lead to a devastating fall, a sentiment echoed during the FTX debacle. FTX, once an emblem of innovation and trust, only to be shrouded in controversies, accusations flew, panic ensued, crypto markets ever so sensitive to sentiment hemorrhaged, cash out surged, liquidity drained, and a financial avalanche ensued. The numbers painted a grim picture. Bitcoin, the crown jewel, took a jaw-dropping 22% nosedive in a mere hours. Altcoins, already vulnerable, faced existential crisis, with some like Solana teetering on the brink of oblivion. The digital behemoth that Binance is, its tentacles spread far and wide. A mind-boggling 20% of all Bitcoin spot trading happens here. A staggering 30% of total crypto exchanges worldwide. Yes, Binance is at the helm. Binance isn't just a platform, it's an institution. It's the pulse of the crypto ecosystem. It's simple math. With Binance's immense influence, any disturbance sends ripples or even tsunamis across markets. Amidst these colossal numbers, Binance's safety measures are under the microscope. With the walls possibly closing in, the community demands transparency. Binance's pitch to its users has been clear: trust. They've often touted a one-on-one asset backing with a staggering 60 billion in reserves, but recent events have thrown a shadow of doubt. Mazar's fleeting endorsement was Binance's golden shield, but in a twist straight of a thriller, it vanished. These reserve proofs, touted as gospel, are now under a cloud of suspicion. Imagine hearing rumors about your favorite shopping mall, that it's got some shady stores or it's not following rules. That's what started happening with Binance. Some said Binance was involved in not-so-cool activities and the word began to spread. Peek into the rumor mill. What's everyone saying? The SEC investigation. The SEC, US Securities and Exchange Commission, is like the school principal for financial companies. Lately, they've been eyeing Binance suspiciously, thinking it might be breaking some rules. Remember when the toughest teacher in school would check your homework super carefully? That's what the SEC is doing with Binance now. European concerns. Europe's financial watchdogs, yes, other continents have their own versions of the SEC, are also raising eyebrows. They're mainly worried about money-related crimes. Talk of the town. Social media is buzzing. Just like when everyone's talking about the latest drama in a popular series, Binance is currently the hot topic. Some say it's not playing fair, others think it's just a phase, but the chat doesn't stop. The domino theory isn't just for geopolitics. If Binance stumbles, the digital world might witness an unprecedented cascade. Every token, every coin and every trader could feel the aftershock. Getting technical, what exactly are the rumors? Trading against customers. Some say Binance might be betting against its users. Imagine playing a video game against the creators and they have all the cheat codes. Promoting bad coins. There are thousands of digital coins. Some believe Binance is unfairly promoting the ones that aren't that great just because they could profit from them. Market manipulation. This is a big term, but think of it like this. Imagine if a popular online game decided which players would win or lose beforehand. That wouldn't be fair, right? That's what some people accuse Binance of doing with trading. Binance has its own coin, called BNB. Imagine if a theme park had its own currency that you could only use inside the park. Now rumors are that Binance might be playing tricks to make this coin seem more valuable than it actually is. This would be like the theme park saying the currency can buy more rides than it actually can. The big picture. What does this mean for the world of digital coins? If something goes wrong with Binance, it's like the most popular online game crashing. It affects lots of people and can make many hesitant to play again. This potential issue with Binance could make many rethink their involvement in the crypto world. So, as we stand at this digital crossroads, one looming question remains: is Binance sunsetting? And if it is, what does dawn hold for the world of cryptocurrency? In the ever-evolving realm of crypto, the only certainty is change. Whether Binance's saga is cautionary tale or a mirror bump on the road, only time will tell. Thank you for venturing with us into the heart of digital revolution. In the universe of crypto, remember, knowledge is power, vigilance is key, and the future? It's still unwritten. Don't forget to subscribe for more crypto knowledge. And as always, keep questioning, keep learning. Until next time.